your first alert forecast, we're spreading out 20s to start the day. We've got a frosty, cold start. The kids headed out to the bus stop. Definitely need all those warm layers, really bundled up. We're starting out ranging from mid to upper 20s for most of our area. 7:29 is your sunrise, and then we can work on ticking those temperatures up. But at least we will have a mostly sunny day. Notice a few clouds moving around early, but really that's all we've got for most of the day. Afternoon to evening is then when we switch back to having clouds roll in. So the difference here is then that 4 to 5 o'clock hour, we have a little drizzle, some sleet starting to roll in. Now some of this will get filtered out by some drier air, so the humidity levels are a factor here. So that's why not all of this will make it to the ground, but it is that first trigger there to get some showers to start to develop and roll through. But it's a difference of cold drizzle to sleet. The pink there is where it starts mixing in, and then we start getting some snow showers in our higher elevations this evening. So that'll then change over to some flurries in the valley. Some light to moderate snow showers continue outlining the valley, but notice even by midnight, we're really just lining it up with the mountains for the most part. And that's where that winter weather advisory continues until 7 a.m. But notice by the early morning hours, we're down to very much some stray mountain snowfall by tomorrow morning. So we're just kind of picking that up late evening into the early overnight. That'll take us from 27 degrees to start your Monday, 36 at noon. High today only 41, feeling colder, mid 30s this evening, but it actually doesn't really feel like we even leave the 30s for much of the afternoon in the valley. You can see mid to upper 30s, kind of the best we can do for wind chills at times in the valley, but it'll feel like it's freezing for our higher elevations all day long. So pausing it here. First alert feels like forecast where you live will feel like 39 at best in Knoxville, 36 Townsend, 37 in Loudon. You can easily feel like 30 at times in Crossville to 27 Jamestown, 37 Clinton to 32 in Powell Valley. Feeling like 29 in Stearns and Barberville. And this Monday, your wind chills in the afternoon, 30 Rutledge, 32 Dandridge. Make sure that warm coat is with you all day long. And then yes, we'll see some of the evidence of that cold air with those light snow showers on the plateau to the Tennessee-Kentucky line, the moderate snow going up into our higher elevations, and then the winter weather advisory for several inches of snow on top of the mountains of really higher elevations of Monroe to Blount, Sevier, Cocke, and Greene County is where that winter weather advisory continues until 7 a.m. for your Tuesday. So it all lines up there in terms of actual snowfall, but again, it exits really early tomorrow. A couple little stray snow showers left over in the mountains. Clouds will be the next thing we boot out of here, so at least we'll have clouds to sunshine for your Tuesday. Still on the cold side, about 10 degrees below average in the morning at 25 degrees. Freezing at noon for your Tuesday. Best we can do is about 38 degrees, and it will feel colder at times for your Tuesday as well. So those wind chills are a factor. Notice feeling like it's in the 20s all morning long, bottom of the 20s to the top of the 20s by noon, and feeling like those mid to upper 30s by your Tuesday afternoon. Big picture, this moves on and the weather quiets down and the afternoons actually start to warm back up. There are a couple of light snow showers possible in the mountains of eastern Kentucky and the Smokies Thursday morning. That's just a little bit of moisture passing by. Otherwise, the afternoons are gradually heating. Ahead of our next front, that's when we're looking at some rain to arrive to end the weekend into early next week. Yeah, your first alert 8-day planner at least gets quieter, and then we work on that whole gradually warming back up thing. Of course, kind of bottom of the barrel there on that cold Tuesday, working our way into 40s to end of the week. Notice that little tick down after those stray mountain snow showers. Thursday into low 40s, and then we can bounce back even more with temperatures around 50 degrees with that scattered rain rolling in Sunday night to Monday.